Hi to everybody. My name is Mr. D, and we're going to analyze how to checkmate with the two rooks. And later we're going to study how to checkmate with the king and the rook versus the king. So here, position white play rook h2 check. Now the black king has two choices. Three choices: king d3, king e3, and king f3. So here we will choose first king e3, and later we will analyze if black will play on king f3. Here black did not give any did not offer any resistance, and white easily checkmate the black king by using the two rooks alternately. The white played rg2 check, king to e4, again king a4 is so much better. Check. So the method of this is called the staircase, or just like walking a staircase, just moving the two rooks alternately. So king to e5, rg5 check, king to e6, check, and then we deliver the checkmate, RSA. So here, but in our next analysis, or our next study, black now will play king to f3. The idea is to stop the rook going to the third rank. So the method or the plan is still the same. We will use the staircase method, but this time we will move our rook or our two rooks on the other side of the board so that the king will not be able to capture it. So I put the rook on b2. You can also move your rook to a2. Let's say the king goes to e3. The king is not guarding the g3 square, so white now can go to g3 check, king to f4. And again, we just move away the rook farther away from the black king. So black has to go to the queen side, attack the white rook. Check, move alternately, check. Again, we just move away. This time, the rook from the queen side to the king side. Check, and then it's like your two pit. Just walking, check, and checkmate. I think it's really very easy to do the checkmate with the two. Okay, free. Maybe sometimes we're not really focusing when we are playing. Maybe we're doing something and we thought that king will go to e3, then we automatically play our rook on the third rank. So black after the rook. Now white play rook to g2 check. And now the white king is asking the black rook, the black king, sorry, where the king will go, king f3 or king h3. So I think that again, king f3 is so much more better than king h3 because the king on f3 can still maneuver more square if you just put the king on h3. So let's say the king goes to h3. Now we don't have to move the rook. This rook is now occupying or controlling the g5. So we can just move the king here and force the king to go to the h again. h2. Okay. Now this time you must be very careful because if you put your king on h6, black has no legal move. The game will just end it in a tie or a draw. So the king goes to g6, and the black king hurry up, go to g8, hoping he can go to f8 and go to the queen side. But white stop it by playing rf2, stopping the black king to go to the f5, and now you give the checkmate. Where here? Oh, here, of course, here. RFA checkmate. Now, how about the king goes to f3? If the king goes to f3, let's send the king to g1. Let's send the king goes to e3. Now, white occupies the f5. Then black takes e4. Okay. You can also check the rook on e2, and then the king goes to f3. And I cannot cross the e5, but we just follow the simple method of moving our king to e1, our king to e2, into d4. Now I play rf4 check, and you notice that the black king can go to the third rank or the fifth rank. But again, you will notice that black goes to the fifth rank. It has more, his king has more square to maneuver or to move, or more space than going to the third rank. So we just put the king on the fifth rank. You just play king to e3, king to d5. What is the next move for white? I hope you will find rook e4. Now earlier, white is controlling the g5. Then the f5. Now, white is controlling the c5. Let's say the king goes to c5. I think you already know the next move for white. White to d4. Let's say king d5. Move your rook away from the d5. King to d5. Now white play rook to d5 check. Now you can see white is controlling the fifth rank, also controlling the d5. So black has two choices again, and you will see that black has more choices for his king if you move on the sixth rank. But we just show you example if the king choose the fourth rank, king a4, and now you just have to make a waiting move. We call it a waiting move. So you just move the rook anywhere on the fifth rank except the d5 or the a5 square, because the king will just capture the rook and you have no more materials to checkmate the black king, and the game will just end in the draw. Let's say rc5. Now after king a3, after you made the waiting move earlier, now you give checkmate. r5 checkmate. So here black choose king to c6, king to c4, protecting the rook, then coming closer to the black king. King b6, and now what is your next move? R to c5, king to b7, king to b5, king e7, check, then the king goes to a8, king to b6, king to b8. Now again, the one that I also showed you earlier, that this time, do not let the king go to the c5. Just put the rook anywhere on the c5, not on c8. So let's say I put my rook on c1, king to a8. Now, white is to play mate in 1. Checkmate on c8 or checkmate on a1. Of course, if you put your rook to a1 check, the king can go back to b8. So the best move is r to c8 and b checkmate. Okay, I hope you learned something from our short video, and see you again in my next video. Thank you so much.